In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use margins and rulers in Canva. If you've been looking to add some precision and structure to your Canva designs, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through a simple yet effective process for enabling and using margins and rulers, which can be immensely helpful in creating well-organized designs. First off, let's talk about why margins and rulers are essential tools in any design project. They help ensure that all elements are aligned perfectly and provide you with a visual guide to work within specific boundaries. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to maintain consistency across different pages or ensure that your designs are print ready. So without further ado, let's dive into how you can activate these features in Canva. To get started, you'll want to open your design in Canva. Once you're in, look towards the upper left corner of your screen where you'll find the File option. This is your gateway to a variety of settings and tools. Go ahead and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. Next, we're going to navigate to the settings. In the same drop-down menu, you'll see settings listed. Give it a click. This is where you can access some of the more detailed aspects of your design's layout and appearance. Once you're in the settings, you're going to see several options, but what we're looking for is the ability to activate rulers and guides. Now let's move on to the important part, turning on rulers and guides. In your settings, you should see an option that says Show Rulers and Guides. Click on this to enable rulers on your canvas. You'll immediately notice rulers appearing along the top and left side of your design workspace. These rulers are invaluable for aligning different elements along the X and Y axes. Once the rulers are activated, you can also use them to create custom guides. Simply click on the ruler and drag onto your canvas to create a guideline. These guides can be positioned anywhere and are a great way to ensure that key elements within your design are aligned with precision. Finally, take a moment to move around your new guides to see how they can serve your design. They're easy to use, incredibly versatile, and can be repositioned or removed as needed. This set of tools in Canva is excellent for any project where alignment and layout are crucial. By mastering these basic steps, you'll be well equipped to create designs that are not only beautiful but perfectly aligned and structured. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting with these tools to find what works best for your creative projects. Happy designing!